Guess what I'm cooking? Yes, another meal straight from Buffy. Right now I'm chopping some garlic. As you can see, I have some carrots, asparagus, fresh thyme, and some garlic. Fresh lemon juice. And can you guess what I am making? You guessed it. Carrots and asparagus sauteed together. So sauteed asparagus and carrots. Put in a little olive oil, extra virgin. The first thing we're going to do is add the carrots. And the carrots go first because they're going to take the longest to soften, to break down a little. And we're going to saute these carrots for about 7 minutes. Now we're going to add the asparagus. And we're going to cook this an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to add the garlic, the fresh thyme, the lemon juice, add a little salt, and some fresh black pepper. And now we have carrots and asparagus. Now it's time to eat. I told you I didn't like carrots, but I love them now. Delicious.